Okay then guys, here is a video of me running the Igenix 30-inch tower fan with remote control and the timer up to 7 hours from 1 hour. So here we go. The remote control's up there, but I'm just going to control it manually. So here we go on low. It has LED lights at the top there, I forgot to mention. Here we go, the cursor. I'll do all 3 speeds and now I'll do more of oscillation as always. Let's do medium. Oh yeah, just like on the binary also has LEDs. Keep forgetting to show you, I don't know why, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about me keep forgetting to show you that, guys. I'll probably run the phone for a bit longer than I usually would, okay guys? If that's okay with you guys. On each speed, I'm going to give it a minute on each speed. Usually I'll give it about 30 seconds, but I'm going to give it a minute this time. As I'm not showing design, it will make up for me not showing design and all that, but this is just a run-in video. Right, anyway, here's high. As it close up. I'll give it a minute with all 3 speeds with oscillation as well. So it'll probably go on for about 6 minutes, this video I'm estimating. Got another notification. I don't know why I didn't do that on the RAM fan. I should have given them a minute, but I did it on each speed. But anyway, here's low oscillation. It oscillates quite slow, this fan does. It doesn't oscillate as slow as the Argos one I have at my house though. As you guys are aware, there's 2 different versions of the Igenix 30-inch tower fans. One of them I own, but the other one I don't own. This one here I don't own. My nan owns this one, but the other one I do own that one. Well, let's do medium with oscillation. Oh my goodness, it's gone very cloudy outside again. In total on my channel I have 4 tower fans, by the way. 330 each one's a 1 minute one, but anyway, here's high. But yeah, I have 4 tower fans on my channel in total. 3 of them I own, and the 4th one my nan owns. This is my nan's fan. This is not the only fan my nan's owned either. She's owned a 2007, I think it is, Challenge 12-inch oscillating desk fan. She doesn't own that fan now. I own it actually, guys, but it's in my attic at home, or loft, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's actually my fan now because my nan gave it to me because she was getting this new fan. Oh, I missed the oscillation. I'll have to let it oscillate to this side anyway. There's off. Let's see if I can catch that spin down. Not really. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video, guys. And bye for now.